The swollen lug nut issue. 2017 Jeep Renegade Sport. Steel wheels, 105,000 miles. In rural northern Ohio. You can see the witness marks on the stainless steel cap. This thing's been to the dealer for all the tire rotations. They had new tires put on Sam's. This is all done by the dealer. They just over tighten these things because the torque spec is 89 foot-pounds and they do them to like 140, so they just kill them with the impact. Last time I had it in, they said they can't do it again. So I had to remove them and replace them. This one got stuck in the socket, and this is what you're dealing with. So the factory ones on sale on Mopar's website are $7.55 a piece. I think they're normally $10. These are under $30 a set. But because I live in Ohio, these are longer. I have to clean the threads out to get them in because the holes are through holes. Just there's rust inside them, so you got to tap them. But the problem is getting them off and saving your socket. So a lot of these sockets are thinner wall, which are smaller than the head of the lug nut. This is an Apex Industrial thick wall 11/16, which measures roughly 126, which is definitely larger than the lug nut, because when you get them stuck in your socket, you need to be able to support the socket to beat them out, which this one I use a smaller diameter impact socket and had a hard time getting it out. So I'm going to go over how I got them out and made these other ones work. 89 foot-pounds. So that's the Lisle Tap Socket. I'll post a link on Amazon, but can't get them right now. There's another brand I got coming from Amazon. They're like half the price. 12 millimeter by 1.25 tap. Cheap lug nuts. It's pretty simple. Either a breaker bar or a long extension to get it off once you break it loose. And it takes a couple minutes per lug nut. Unless you get one that gets stuck in your socket. And it's a little bit more involved, but so just for the heck of it, I set the torque wrench to 130 foot-pounds and see if that'll bust it loose. Last time it was 140, but you can see the socket spinning. That's actually the stainless cap spinning on the actual lug bolt itself. Well, 130 didn't do it. Let's try 140. Nope. Not even 140. My dealer argues that they're not over tightened. So I'm on my last one. It's even tighter. I have to put a pipe on it, which was the case for the one that I had to beat out of the socket. This one's really tight, so it might get stuck in the socket. Nope, lucky it didn't. Okay, so I'm done. That was the last wheel. Out of the 20 lug nuts, I had one get stuck, and unfortunately that was in a Tecton socket that was smaller OD, so I had a hard time getting it out. You need, one more time, you need a socket with the OD bigger than, it's about 1 inch 050, so I know some of the imported sockets are real heavy wall, because it's pretty tough getting them out if they get stuck in there, because the way them caps spin once they're destroyed. Here's a Proto, which is a good socket. Impact, it's actually smaller than the OD to lug nut, so if you get stuck in there, you're kind of screwed. Craftsman, even thinner, but this is quite a bit heavier, so you can knock it out. 6.17 millimeter to torque it back the new ones in, and it's a pretty simple job. I'll post links for everything in the comments below. Hope this helps you.